I started to lose my hair at the age of 23. The insecurity was unbelievable. I never swam. I stood in the water and splashed myself. Always had a hat on. I just was in tears. The website was very professional and that intrigued me, and I researched it from there. He gets the most hair. He takes the biggest graft that I've seen out of all sites. Completely different look now. Very nice guy, and he's passionate about his work, and that's important. Thank you, Dr. Bolton.
The website, Dr. Bolton, just searching online, and at first I wasn't quite sure of what, if he did FUE or not, but it said his caption where density matters. I saw how they did it, how they closed the suture line, and how the suture line looks afterwards. I said, you know what? Once I was researching on the site for Dr. Bolton, it was, you know, he was talking about this follicle transplant where it's like multi-unit. He was really able to strategically put the amount of hairs in the right place. I couldn't have been more happier once I saw that. Woke up, it was tender back there, didn't hurt. I could move my head from side to side, and it was great. The results alone doesn't compare to the results that Dr. Bolton gave us. Dr. Bolton in one session probably doubled what those two surgeries did. Now I feel like, you know, that it is possible for me to get my hair back in its entirety, so I'm excited about that. Dr. Bolton, thank you so much for taking the time. You and the staff have been really gracious with me and just being kind and caring and nurturing in this whole process. I really thank you and the staff, and thank you so much for it.
When I was 25, 26, I started noticing my hair was beginning, you know, thinner. Really great experience. I thought it would be really worse than that. I'm so happy with the results, you know. The procedure was really good. I had no problem whatsoever, and natural look, nobody can tell nothing. If I don't tell, nobody can notice. 7 more months to growing up, you know, as you see the results. I'm really happy. Thanks so much.
Past year's been great for me. It's been my head obviously has been a transformation. I'm sure when you saw my video from 12, 13 months ago, it looked totally different. This is one of the shortest haircuts I've had in years. I actually got a 4 last week on the back of my head, and you can't see any line back there. Without the surgery, I wouldn't have been able to have a haircut like this and actually have it look good. Obviously with the wedding comes the wedding pictures, and those things last forever. And I wanted to make sure that I look good in those pictures that I was going to have for the rest of my life. A full head of hair, when you see the pictures of me dancing, the candid shots at the back of my head, there's no bald spot back there. And actually my brother, who had his surgery here also with Dr. Bolton about a month or so before I did, both of us had a nice full thick head of hair. He walked me down the aisle, so it was great having us there to be able to share that together. Thank you guys very much. Still getting, you know, follow-up phone calls, still getting emails from the front office staff, just making sure how I'm doing. It exceeds any customer service that I've ever seen, whether it be a doctor or anywhere else. So definitely impressed, and I endorse Dr. Bolton and his whole staff, the whole office 100%.